A month ago, I flew to Kuala Lumpur for my birthday with no plans and research, thinking I could just be spontaneous. But I totally underestimated how big the city is. I didn't do any research, ended up in a sketchy hotel all the way in Kajang, spending almost 2 hours just to get to the city. Now, a month later, I'm back, and this time with a plan and ready for my revenge trip. Just realized that the worst seat that you could have on the plane is the window seat. I took a 4-hour flight from Manila to Kuala Lumpur and I was sitting in the window seat. Tapos ihi na ako. Nahihiya ako magsabi sa katabi ko. So the best seat is the aisle. Anyway, we're back. We're so back. After a month, ang bilis. Time check, 2 a.m. Sobrang lamig. May na-microwave ba yung onigiri? Hindi na namin microwave. Something that I realized is sobrang saludo ako sa mga vlogger, especially the full-time ones, because you keep taking out your phone or your camera to take a video. So you're missing out on the moment, and nakakalutang din siya sobra. Like, minsan naiiwan ko yung passport ko, naiiwan ko yung phone ko kasi syempre nag-focus ako sa paghugot ng camera. So yeah, that's just a realization for me. Tagal. Ay, doble-doble na.
Hindi, kasi yan yung in-order niya sa pito sa'yo.
Ayoko ng curry.
Bang!
Walang tapaw.
Yung damaw eh. Ulit tapaw ini. Ito pa ba? Itabi mo dyan.
May egg.
Wait lang. Yeah.
Thank you.
Ampang. Ampang eh. Iya, patikimin mo nga ako na isang slice iya. Isang slice lang. Ano mo lang. Tapos lagyan mo ng konting kunti lang na ano. Kunti lang. Kunti lang.
Made it to the hotel, the Robertson Lux Suites, Bukit Bintang. And this is my family. Kumain kami, sinundo nila. Terima kasih. Thank you. Actually, ko lang po. I just got out of the shower and everybody's preparing now because we're gonna go out. It's actually 1 p.m. So this is what you see when you open the door. My dining table, nice light, TV with Netflix, we're watching Mean Girls. This is the view. Kita mo kapitbahay. The pool from below. There's church right there, which is cool. Lounging area, makalat. This is a 2-bedroom, by the way. So this is the first bedroom, and this is the second bedroom, which fits 2 people. So dito may naliligo. This is me and my duster. And we have another window here, which you can see the other pools of the other buildings. Microwave, ref, hugasan, and washing machine. Quack quack. Ito lang outfit ko. Just a polo from Zara. Tapos naka-short lang ako. Oops. Naka-short lang ako kasi hindi naman kami akit sa Batu Caves. Because if you're gonna go to Batu Caves, kailangan covered ka your shoulder and your knees. Picture.
Dito ka ba?
Go. Kaya mo na ho.
Dito lang.
Ganda ng train stations nila dito. Multi-level. Dito o Japan? Dito, for me. Mas organized. Lagot. Lagot. Suot natin lahat ng bawal suotin. Masikip.
Uy, kakulay ng
Ako nga, mas bagay sa'yo.
bote.
Sa akin, para iba naman. Habang walang ulan, babagsak na yung ulan. Bilisan natin, una na yung monkey.
Okay, go.
Monkey naka-black pogi. Monkey! Sobrang daming unggoy. And I'm scared for my bag. Kasi may chichirya ako. Oh, ito na pala yung ano eh. Yung landmark eh. Oh my God! Sobrang daming ano, ibon mo tayo dyan.
Kaya nga, maikutan ka.
Oh!
Maikutan ka?
Hindi. May lightning. Magta-thunder na yan.
Lumapit ka doon.
It's raining. Okay, so quesadilla plus pizza. Pizza, mushroom pizza and to do some paintings. That's Menara Tower and that one, hindi ko alam ng tawag dyan. May mukha niya yung Seoul Tower. Ito yung design ko. Patingin naman ako ng design.
Para siyang mga...
Baba mo. Saan yung brushes? Kita mo ba yung... Is using the dispersion method. Sad. This is Under the Sea. We're just gonna have dinner here in KLCC Tower, Petronas Tower. And at this point, nawawala na yung isa namin kasama, which is my cousin, because nagkakainisan na po kami. Anyway, bye guys. See you tomorrow. Hi, we're out again. We're going to Chinatown. We just had dinner here. Dinner agad. We just had lunch in TRX and waiting for the train to arrive. 8 minutes. Dami yan. Isang flavor lang pa.
Ano mo isang damuhala?
Ah, malaki. Magkano lahat to?
40.
40. Cookie. Cookie ni Shopee. Anong brand to?
All about you.
I want you. We just got here. Sakto. Umuulan. For the first time, I'm not the one who's navigating. Ito naman. Siya yung Google Maps ko ngayon. Sa totoo lang, nagaganda na ako sa Malaysia. Before going here, I had no expectations about this city, Kuala Lumpur. Akala ko ano siya, mahirap siya. Parang Pilipinas lang ganun. Like Quiapo, Carriedo, ganong areas. But no, it's 100 times better. Ito na ba yun? Ito na yun? Underwhelming. Isa pa nga? Independence
Square.
oo. Down to another spot. Ito lang siya. Temple ba yan? Temple na? Hinduism? Ah, oh yeah, Hindu nga. Kaya nga.
Dahil na sobrang babaw.
Pag nililinisan, nilulubog to?
Babad mo siya sa tubig.
Bakit?
Kasi sa sa dagat, nagiging salty siya.
Mag-oxidize.
Oo, nag-oxidize. Pag natuyo yung sa dagat,
Hindi ko nabasa after using seawater.
titigas-tigas siya sa gilid-gilid. So, kailangan ilubog. Yeah. You're talking about how to clean the camera after using it in the She. So, ang challenge namin for today is...
Speak Malay for the day.
Not speak Malay for the day. Bagsak na tayo dun.
Ikaw.
The challenge is to eat panipuri. Level 1 lang though. Chocolate panipuri. Not the actual. Ano ba naman kasi? Search mo nga. Ano ba naman ang panipuri? Alam niyo ba? Maselan ako sa pagkain. Hindi naman kami mayaman. Mahirap lang kami, pero maselan ako. Nai-imagine ko na kinakamay-kamay yung pagkain. Oh my God. So, yan yung panipuri. Indian food. Yuck. Anong tanong mo sa akin?
How's your experience in KL?
In Japanese. Watashi wa iya desu. Ay, baka Japanese yung katabi natin. Singkit sila.
In Malay na lang.
Huwag na. Huwag na mali. Masaya naman siya. Maraming mishaps in between. Like, itong nagbe-video sa akin, naaway sila ng away ng nanay niya. Tapos, ako yung nasa gitna. We're gonna go home to Brunei tomorrow. Sama naman tingin itong lalaki sa harap. Bakit siya naging river of life? Dapat pala dito tayo kumain. Init. Tara. Ganito rin naman yung itsura ng Brunei. No. I can't really say that. But, yung mga establishments na ganyan, kamukha lang din sa Brunei. Although, in Brunei, konti lang yung mga franchises like Subway, this one, kasi mas priority nila yung own brands nila. And maraming mosque, walang buildings, unfortunately. Para lang siyang probinsya. So, sinusulit na namin na habang nandito kami sa Kuala Lumpur at the city, sinusulit na namin na makakita ng building and masasarap na kainan. Ganda! Dalawa pala. Ito pa, Okay, picture. In this area, we can see different landmarks that have been preserved up to this day. Like this old government printing office. And then when you scan the QR code, lalabas yung history. I wish we would do this in the Philippines. This one is library. Ito yun sa labas. Sige yan, paano kumain ang siya?
Sinusubo ko na naman.
So, kinakain naman ng ginger. Nilalagyan mo ng ginger. Wow, may pakin mo. We're going to the convenience store because we're gonna have a movie night. Magalaw siya isa. Oo nga, mahilig kumanta ng Indian. 7-Eleven. For reference, ito yung presyo ng isang chichirya. 65 pesos. Oh, tara.
Okay lang. Or mahal na ba yun?
Mahal for ano.
Okay.
Guys, may gardenia sila. Gaya ng atin. Ito yung masarap. Ito, ang daming ano. By the way, itong camera na to, ilang taon na to? Simula ng mga bata pa
Bago
tayo.
pa ako pinanganak.
So, ilang taon na? 20 years ago.
20 plus years.
120 pesos. Ah, sakto. Yan. Tatlong tinapay, isang chichirya. What my name? And we're walking... Oh, mahal yung chichirya, no? So, gusto niya pumunta dito sa isa pang convenience store.
Dati merong ganito
Hindi ko. Pumasok kami ng convenience store. Mukha kaming magnanakaw. Pero bayad na to, ha? Durian ice cream.
Ano yan? Matapang.
Na. That's a total. Almost $30. $30 is 400 pesos. 400 pesos yun, guys.
So, nakamagkano tayo sa halos
520. 520 kami sa basura na pagkain.
Your job still pays you rather a lot of money, whilst honey.
So, in-extend lang nila yung taas. And this is the church. Yeah. Lumog ba ako?
Ewan ko din naman sa video. Floating ba yan yung paa na sa sahig?
I think it's 3 p.m. now. Our flight is 6 p.m. So we have time. 3 hours to kill. We're looking for sushi. I've been craving this Empire Sushi for 3 days. So hindi ako papatahimik pag di ako kumain nun. Saan yung babae? Wala dyan. Empire Sushi. Mura siya pero masarap.
Yung anibuli ane-ane ka.
Ito, dalawa.
Anibua. Yung tamago buli champur sama yung salmon.
Small tempura, big tempura, cheesy salmon, tamago, ano to? Salmon. All for $23. Magkano yun? Basta mga 300 pesos.
Okay lang.
Masarap.
Pero, mas masaya pa rin yung pinakain natin sa Kaizen.
Saan?
Sa Kaizen.
Malamang gakong mahal yun.
Hindi, pero for 1 RM.
Diba? Magkano yung 1 RM? Basta 25 pesos.
20 cents.
25 pesos.
20 cents per night.
Oo.
Ha?
Pesos lang, pesos ang audience natin. This one first. Ano nga to? Cheesy salmon.
Ano ito nalaman?
Dito.
Sa Malaysian brand yun.
Ebi tempura, parang. Laki Mas malaki pa sa kamay ko. Oh my god, sobrang laki.
Tiramisu?
Tiramisu.
Lemon what?
Thank you. Stop. Thank you. Okay.
Healthy.
Kamo ko bida.
Lemon?
Iba naman. Kusong plain. Let's try this. Bida. Let's go sa go. We're so late.
Bahala sila, yaman na sila.
Bahala sila.
Magkatabi na tayo.
Ito niya. Batik paint. We're here at Miri Airport. So magbabayad lang kami ng parking ng car. Kasi iniwan namin yung kotse dito. For 3 days. This was just a domestic flight. This is still Malaysia, by the way. Just a different city. After getting off the plane, I was surprised that there was still immigration. So, Kuala Lumpur to Miri is still a domestic flight, but there is immigration. I don't know why. Or maybe because, anong tawag yun? Connecting flights, yeah. Kuala Lumpur is usually like a connect from different locations like Vietnam and others. Not so sure, but it's gonna take 2 to 3 hours to get to Brunei by car, depending on the traffic. But kailangan namin magmadali kasi hinahabol namin yung immigration ng Brunei. Paano if hindi natin maabutan immigration ng Brunei?
Check-in tayo.
What time? Ang open? 6?
Hanggang midnight naman yun.
Midnight, like 12. Eh, kaya nga, hanggang midnight nga. Pag 12, hindi natin nabutan kasi anong oras na ngayon? 9 o'clock na.
Mabilis lang naman yung 30 minutes lang. 2 hours nga yung buong ride eh, pabakay.
Paano kung may mabangga kang monkey? Tapos, joke lang.
Gano'n pala yung monkey mo. Parang nakita natin sa Batu Caves.
I could be the first vlogger in Brunei. I could also be wrong. We have Starbucks and Subway. But, again, Malaysia pa din to, so medyo may vicinity pa. Unlike Brunei, literal na probinsya as fuck talaga.
Nakatupi yun.
Complete passports.
Claypot. Seafood. Seafood.
Kway teow.
Ano yung J-Pat?
Ah, hindi. Ngayon may kway teow. Mi basa.
Ano yung J-Pat?
Wala na. Yan na inom.
Hot. Para siyang Chowking.
May pag-aga? Ano?
Tula ko lang.
Hindi ka masabaw eh.